everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute girl with long hair. So let's get started. Start by drawing a circle for the head. Lightly sketch a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across the middle. These guidelines will help with facial features. On the horizontal line, draw two large, round eyes. Below the nose, draw a wide, smiling mouth. Below the head, draw a small neck and then the shoulders. Draw a simple dress by sketching two lines down from the shoulders and connecting them at the bottom with a curved line. Draw simple legs coming down from the dress. Make sure they are proportionate to the body. Draw the arms coming down from the shoulders. You can position them on the sides or make them doing a cute pose. Draw a curved line across the top of the head for the hairband. Add a small bow or flower on one side of the hairband to make it look cute. Pink color. Yellow color.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll,
Blue color.
doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat. H is for hand,
Red color.
hand. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mat, mat. N is for net, net. O is for orange, orange. P is for pet, pet. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun.
Great job! You've just drawn a cute girl. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
U is for umbrella,